Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Arideep Datta, currently working as a software engineer too at Rippling. And in today's video, we are going to talk about something that can literally make or break of your chances of landing interviews, a killer LinkedIn profile. इस चीज को हम एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझते हैं. If I give you a coding question, so what are you going to use? A terminal or VS Code? Obviously VS Code. It is visually more appealing, easy to understand and easy to debug. मैं same psychological reason मानता हूँ why a LinkedIn profile is more powerful than your resume. You can think of it just like your first layer of filter. So in today's session, I'm going to share top 5 game-changing strategies that will help you to make a highly impactful LinkedIn profile. So let's start. So मैंने इस वीडियो को बहुत सारे सेक्शंस में डिवाइड किया है और हर सेक्शन में मैंने एक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट डिस्कस की है और उसका सॉल्यूशन. So let's start with our first section, that is your profile picture. This may sound very basic, but trust me, this is the most underrated game changer in your LinkedIn. You can't be unprofessional there. I have seen a lot of LinkedIn profiles जहाँ पे backgrounds काफी funky है and expensive restaurants के background है, sunglasses like this and giving inappropriate posture. Recruiters के subconscious mind में ये image form होता है कि this particular guy is not professional or he lacks seriousness or he is not well mannered. So ऐसे profiles automatically reject हो जाते हैं. Think of it like, will you go into an interview room wearing a pajama? No, right? You have to be professional. You have to be well mannered. So let's talk about the solution. The first thing, a clear high quality picture of yours. Second thing is simple and sophisticated background. Third thing is professional and a smart casual attire. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको एक सूट बूट ही पहनना है. You can wear a normal polo or casual t-shirt. That is more than enough. Last and most important thing is and friendly and approachable expression. Recruiter is looking for someone who is credible, confident and approachable, not someone who is casual and unprofessional. Now, let's talk about our next section, that is your profile descriptions. You can think of this section just like a short summary of your profession. और इसके behalf पे ही एक recruiter decide करता है actually में आपका resume review करना चाहिए या नहीं. So it is very crucial and very critical. Let's talk about the problem statement. I have seen a lot of LinkedIn profiles. लोग simply generic term लिख देते हैं software engineer. They don't provide their designation like software engineer 1, 2 or 3. दूसरी problem, I have seen a lot of people putting some sort of fancy words like pushing codes into production. They mentioned building Zomato, building Uber. Come on, you can't be unprofessional. This is not a fancy dress competition. This is a professional platform, so you have to be very straightforward. Third thing is, I have seen they populate their description section a lot, like 10x certified, this and that. So this sounds very crowded, cluttery. Let's talk about the solution. First, always mention your designation clearly, whether you are an SD2, SD1 or MTS1, etc. Second, mention your company name. Even if your company isn't as famous, it still adds credibility. Add max to max 1 or 2 X companies that are well recognized. Third, mention your role specification, like you are backend engineer, front-end engineer or full stack. Fourth, highlight your 2 to 3 technologies that you're strongest, like Go, Python, Java. 2 to 3 is more than sufficient. If relevant, you can add your college or pass out year as well. Like I have seen a lot of folks who are from IITs and ITs. It adds again credibility, so you can add your college and pass out year to explain your year of experience. And finally, you can add some personal edge, like just like me, you are a YouTuber or you are a mentor, or maybe you are a TEDx speaker or ICPC regionalist. I've also seen folks adding their courses, ranking and score. Remember, your profile description is more than just text. It's your brand statement. If written in a right manner, recruiter will stop and वो directly आपको reach out करेंगे. So please make it really well. And apart from that, I have suggested a format which you can follow, which I follow a lot. So now let's talk about our next section, that is your about section. About section is a place where you tell your story in your own words. यहाँ पे आप सिर्फ ये mention नहीं करते हो कि आप क्या कर रहे हो. Rather, you also mention what you have done in past and what you are looking for in future. The problem over here is people put a lot of buzzword over here. Some people leave it empty, which doesn't look good. So now let's talk about the solution. What should be the actual structure of your about section? First, who you are. Introduce yourself in first person. Second, what you have done. Talk about your journey, your experience, the kind of work you have handled. Keep it crisp and show clarity. Third, what you are looking for. This is where you can talk about your passions, what excites you, or if you are open for any future roles or responsibilities. And here is a 1-star point. Don't make it boring. Make it little bit interesting, just like you are having some conversation with your recruiter. Now, let's talk about our fourth section, that is your experience section. In your experience section, आप ये mention करते हो कि आपको किस कंपनी में कितना experience है and timeline. So यहाँ पे problem statement की. Problem statement ये है कि I have seen a lot of folks जो सिर्फ अपना designation कंपनी और टाइमलाइन प्रोवाइड करते हैं, नथिंग एल्स। बट आप एक रिक्रूटर के पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचो, उसे कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपका इंपैक्ट क्या रहा है, आपने किस किस टेक्नोलॉजी में काम किया है एंड व्हाट वैल्यूज यू हैव ब्रॉट टू द कंपनी। आप मेरा लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे मैंने डिस्क्रिप्टिव वे में लिखा है कि मैंने जिस भी कंपनी में काम किया है वहां पे मेरा इंपैक्ट क्या रहा है and what technologies I have worked upon. So यहाँ पे भी डिस्कस करते हैं what will be the solution. The solution is a structure which I'm going to tell you. Start with the role, company and timeline. That's the basic. Second thing is then add 3 to 4 bullet points under each role explaining what role you have played in the company, what you have contributed or built during your time there, and third, what tech stack you have worked upon. Also, if possibly, the outcome or improvement that came from your work. Remember, recruiters are not only hiring designation, they are also hiring skill set and impact. Now, let's talk about our next section, that is your skills section. This section is also important. Suppose a recruiter is looking for a Java developer और a Python developer और आपने अपने skill set में ये technologies mention कर रखी है, उसको आपका प्रोफाइल जरूर दिखेगा. Now, let's talk about the problem statement over here. The problem statement which I have noticed is most of the people treat it जस्ट लाइक ए डंपिंग ग्राउंड। वो सारे टेक्नोलॉजीज मेंशन कर देते हैं जिसमें उन्होंने काम किया है, फ्रॉम देयर इंटर्नशिप टू देयर फुल टाइम जॉब। एक रिक्रूटर कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा कि इसने एक्चुअली में किस टेक्नोलॉजी में इन डेप्थ में काम कर रखा है। सो आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से इसे स्ट्रक्चर करना पड़ेगा। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द सॉल्यूशन। फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज ऐड मैक्सिमम 10 to 12 स्किल्स ओनली। सेकंड, लिंक्डइन में एक फीचर होता है जहां पे आप टॉप स्किल्स को पिन कर सकते हैं, तो पिन top 3 skills which you have worked in depth. And at last, make sure it matches the job description you are looking for. Remember, the skill section is a place where you can mention कि आपने किस किस टेक्नोलॉजी में डेप्थ में काम कर रखा है. So we have discussed top 5 critical sections of LinkedIn. Now we can discuss 3 bonus sections. The first is license and certificate section. यहाँ पे आप ऐड कर सकते हो any sort of certificates which you have got like Oracle certificate, Coursera, Udacity, anything. Second section is endorsement section. Over the time in your IT sector, you might have worked with a lot of folks. So आप उनसे बोल सकते हो कि वो आपको endorse करें. Something like where people come and give their recommendation that I have closely worked with Ardeep and he is a very good developer. He has worked along with me in a particular critical project. Last section is featured section. आप मेरा LinkedIn profile देख सकते हैं. I have been featured in a lot of places like Times Now and all. वो मैंने यहाँ पे पिन करके रखा है. If you think you have got featured, you can mention that particular thing in your featured section. So that's all for today. If you really like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And also आप नीचे comment section में जाके ये mention कर सकते हो कि आप अपना next video किस topic में चाहते हो. Till then, bye bye.